You've got a Lineage 2 server, but no custom launcher to go with it? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a complete launcher and patch system that works end-to-end. You will be able to play with it and customize it however you like, because I've made the code open source. By the end, you will have everything you need to take your server from a basic client setup to a proper custom launcher experience. Let's dive right into it. When the launcher opens, it connects to the updater link and downloads the manifest. It then compares the local client files with the server version. If any files are missing or outdated, it downloads the required updates automatically. Once everything is verified, the launcher enables the final step and starts l2.exe. To begin with, head over to the GitHub repository I've created. Here, you'll find the code for the launcher, together with all the necessary commands to build and run it. Feel free to clone it or download it directly. To build the project, we'll use Visual Studio Code for our IDE. It's free, so please download and install it if you don't have it. Right-click and open a terminal in the current folder. Write code dot and hit enter. This will open up the project in Visual Studio Code. To install the project dependencies, run .NET restore in the terminal. The next command will be .NET build, but before that, there are a few constants you should update first. Start by changing the base updater URL to the URL of your Lineage 2 website. You'll also need to create an updater folder there later, because that's where the compressed patch files will be uploaded. After that, update the website, Discord, and Facebook URLs below. You can also customize the launcher however you want. Change the design, swap the icons, or replace the background image from the assets folder. Once everything looks good, run the build command. Then go to GitHub, copy the publish command from the README, and use it to generate a single executable file that your players will run. At that point, the launcher is ready. Take the published release and copy it into any folder you want for distribution. Now we need to prepare the files that will actually be uploaded for patching. To do that, create two folders, one for the input files and one for the output. Into the input folder, copy any custom files your server needs so players can access your content properly. In this example, I'm copying the entire system folder, but this could also include textures, interface files, or anything else you've customized. Next, go back to the Custom Launcher project folder and copy the Patch Builder executable. This is the utility we'll use to compress the files and generate the updater package. Run the program. For the input directory, select the in folder you just created. Then, do the same for the output directory and click Next. At this point, you can choose which files should be marked as critical by moving them with the arrow buttons. Once that's done, click Build and wait for the process to finish. When it's done, open the output folder. You should now see files XML, the download PHP script, and all of the files you selected compressed and ready to be uploaded to your web server. To upload everything more efficiently, create a zip archive containing the generated updater files and upload that archive to your web server. Once the upload is complete, extract the archive on the server and then delete the zip file to keep the folder clean. At this point, the patch files are live, so you can run the launcher and test the updater. If everything is configured correctly, the launcher should start downloading the required files automatically. At this point, you have a fully working custom launcher and patch system. From here, you can take it even further, improve the design, replace the icons, create a more polished interface, or any other features you want for your project. This gives you the foundation, and from here, you can turn it into something that looks and feels much more professional. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more Lineage 2 development tutorials and custom tools. Cheers!